Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, optical drive, if installed, service cover, memory modules, wireless module, keyboard, top cover, USB board, hard disk drive assembly, if installed, and system board. Removal. Using a non-metallic, flat-bladed tool, carefully release the RTC battery from its socket on the system board. Remove the RTC battery. Replacement. With the positive side of the RTC battery facing up, toe the edge of the RTC battery into its socket and gently press down until it snaps into place.